So in the last project we were able to basically go through all this and see it all works well. But you can make even better use of how the block content works. Specifically, you can use that to see how we can make it that the correct pattern is highlighted. So how do you do that? Once more, we come here and we specify what content is going to get loaded. So we're gonna give in the block, but now we're gonna specify class active, right? Such that each class is gonna provide what is particularly active about it. Then you're gonna end the block just like that. But now if we do this, then we won't know which one to load. So instead you're gonna change here, we're just gonna do this so that we say that home is active. So if home is active, it's gonna provide this particular bit called class active. Okay, so let's go back to our home page here. Let's open our home page here, and it was a home HTML, sorry. And then at the bottom here, we're gonna add a new content area. This one, just gonna put it here. And inside our content area, we're gonna add what we want to display. So this is what we want to display, so we're gonna add it right there. Okay, nice. So far so good. Okay, so we're gonna go right ahead and delete this, and we save it. Let's see how this will work out. Okay, so right now we're not in home. Let's see, this should probably remained, it should have remained clickable. So let's see what we did wrong. Or let me just do this so I can see. Yeah. Good. Okay. Alright, so this remains clickable. Okay, so the problem is that they deleted even this part. Okay, so that remains clickable, but when you come to it, it's active. When you're out of it, it's not active. And then other places, not active. You can of course go right ahead and do this for all of these pages. So let's go right ahead and say paste it out here, and paste it there. No, paste it like that. So this one is not home anymore. This is students. So this is students. Then this is contact. Okay, something to note about block if it's not provided, nothing is given, so you don't have to worry about double checking content this time. But now we can go to our feedback form and provide this tag. So let's start with our students. So we can go to our students area here, and then can provide this. It's important to know that it doesn't matter where you put it, as long as it's below this part. Okay, so as long the only criteria that you need to take into consideration is that it's below extends base.html. Okay, so again I'm gonna get that part. I'm just gonna paste it right there so you can see how that would work. So you put it in students, okay, right? So now if you're in home, home is active, and students is active. I want to make sure that that works for this as well. So finally we have our feedback form. You can just put it anywhere here. Now this is not students anymore, this is feedback. Okay, let's go ahead and load that. Okay, so now students work. Okay, so wait a minute, did you put that in the contact? Nope, I think here we had used not this word, but instead had used contract. Let's see if that was the case. Yeah, so now if you're on home, you see that on students, you see that on that, you see that. Okay, so But that's what you have done with templates. You have dealt with all this. So make sure you actually look at these templates so that you can understand what templates are all about. Right, so make sure you look at the reference. Okay, so let's get that done.